Latex fashion is no longer limited to runways, costumes, or niche communities. In today's video, we are diving into the world of style and luxury as we explore the world of latex dresses, what makes them unique, how they are worn, and why this trend is gaining more attention worldwide. Fashion is all about expression, and latex takes that expression to another level. For men, wearing a latex dress is not just a style decision, it's a statement of confidence. Latex highlights the body, reflects light beautifully, and creates a powerful sleek. Many men choose latex dresses because they allow them to explore creativity, individuality, and self obsession without limits. So, what makes latex so appealing? Latex fits like second skin, creating a smooth and shiny look. It's flexible, form fitting, and visually striking. Whether it's a mini dress, a long gown, a structured design, or a simple slip dress, latex transforms any outfit into something futuristic and bold. Another reason people love latex is the feeling. Many describe it as empowering, like wearing armor that's both stylish and strong. Latex dresses can create everything from high fashion runway to edgy streetwear. Keep watching, keep visiting my channel. If you want to see something else, you can send us your messages by commenting. We will definitely bring you a video of what you want to see. If you want to buy these outfits online, you can easily buy these outfits from Amazon.com, etswear.com, and AliExpress.com. All these websites are very famous. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon with new designs, new ideas.